Yo, hello, yes, yes, yes. And now, yeah, let's look at this. This Suzuki Swift semi-automatic MMT by Aisin. And what? I don't have a Suzuki scanner. And how to do calibration? It's not possible like in Toyota with wire. No, I can check the trouble code, no problem. With ELM 327, it's no problem. Also, I have some emulator of Karman scan on the computer, yes, but it's also connecting, it's working, but it don't have option of initialization, of calibration. So how to do? I know that launch can do it. Yes, launch no problem, but I don't have a launch. And what I did, I have a few TCMs. It's his and it's mine. I put the file with command to do calibration. And now we will check. I did it by myself, this file. Now we will check if it will working. So when I will turn on the switch, must start to do calibration. Let's go. Let's do it. Look at this! Yes! It's working! Сработало! Давай. Yeah! Ю! Without tool, без сканера я сделал это. Yeah! You saw that? I did it without scanner. Yeah, yeah. I just put the file that say need to do calibration, and it did it by himself. Yes. So if you need the file for this Japanese Suzuki Swift, I have. I can send you. You can refresh and it will start to do calibration. Yo! So some test drive after clutch actuator repairing and calibration not via scanner, via file that I refreshed the TCM. Yeah, first time it will like little sleeping, it's okay, need wait that it will calibrate himself, but all working good. Suzuki MMT. So if you need some help also with this Suzuki semi-automatic, call me, message me. I know how to help you. Yeah, thank you.